Let me ask you a question. You built an app, it works properly on your machine. You deploy to production, boom, app crashed. Customers angry, manager angry, even your tea becomes cold. Developer says it works on my machine, and operation says then keep your machine in production. This daily drama is why DevOps was created. Hello, welcome to the DevOps Traveler. In this video, I will explain about DevOps and Azure DevOps using real-life examples. No boring theory, no sleeping guarantee. Let's start. Imagine one company, developers team on floor 1 and operations team on floor 2. Developer writes code and pass it to the operation team. If something goes wrong, developer, not my problem. Operations team, not my code. And manager, everyone come to meeting room now. Results, slow releases, many bugs, night calls, dark circle bonus package. And then one smart manager says, why both the teams are fighting like India versus Pakistan match? Why not play in same team? That idea is DevOps. Developers plus operations equals to one team. No blaming, only fixing. Let me explain DevOps in a simple restaurant example. Think of this, chef is like a developer and waiter is like a operations. Without DevOps, chef only cooks and waiter only serves. If food taste is bad, chef says waiter added extra salt and waiter says chef forget to add salt and customer says I'm never coming again. But with DevOps, chef and waiter taste the food before serving it to the customer and they fix the problem together. Customer happy, manager happy, Swiggy rating 5-star. Same thing in software also. Developers plus operations working together is called DevOps. Developer pushes code automatically, test runs, build and deploy to the production environments. And no manual copy-paste drama. If it fails, alert comes. You sleep peacefully and server cries alone. This is DevOps. Now, where the Azure DevOps comes in. DevOps is just a mindset, but Azure DevOps is a remote control. One platform, code, pipelines, tasks and releases, everything. You change one line of code and push it to Azure DevOps. Azure DevOps will take care of everything. Runs tests, builds and deploy. You drink tea, maybe samosa also, automation life. Because you saves the company money, you saves the company time. Moreover is, you saves the manager's BP. And that's why salary is increases. DevOps does not care about your background. Only cares about is, can you automate, can you solve the problems? And if you want to learn the DevOps step by step, follow the DevOps Traveler. See you soon. Thank you.